Hello and welcome to English Grammar for Beginners. Today we are going to learn about verb to be. Verb to be is one of the most important verbs in English. The verb to be has three forms in the present tense: is, am, are. We use to be every day when we speak English. It helps us talk about people, things, places, and feelings. Now let's learn about affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences give positive information. We use them to tell people what is true. To make affirmative sentences with to be, we use am, is, or are. Let's look at the rules. Use am with I. For example, I am a student. I am happy. I am from Canada. I am ready. Remember, I am. Next, is. Uses with he, she, and it. For example, he is tall. She is a teacher. It is a cute cat. He is my brother. She is from Japan. Remember, he is, she is, it is. Next, are. Use are. With you, we, and they. For example, you are my friend. We are classmates. They are happy. You are very kind. We are from the same city. Remember, you are. We are. They are. Affirmative sentences are the most common sentences we use every day. Now let's learn about negative sentences. Negative sentences tell us what is not true. To make a sentence negative, we add not after am, is, or are. Let's look at some examples. I am not. I am not tired. I am not hungry. I am not from France. You are not. You are not late. You are not busy. You are not at home. He is not. He is not tall. He is not here. He is not my brother. She is not. She is not tired. She is not a doctor. She is not at school. It is not. It is not cold today. It is not my book. It is not in the box. We are not. We are not ready. We are not students. We are not from the same city. They are not. They are not here. They are not busy. They are not coming tomorrow. Negative sentences help us say what is not true. Now let's learn how to ask questions using to be. To make a question, move am, is, or are to the beginning of the sentence. Let's look at some examples. Am I? Am I late? Am I correct? Am I your friend? Am I ready? Remember, we use am with I. Next, are you? Are you ready? Are you happy? Are you at home? Are you coming? Remember, we use are with you. Next, is he? Is he here? Is he your friend? Is he tall? Is he a student? Remember, we use is with he. Next, is she? Is she tired? Is she a teacher? Is she at school? Is she your sister? Remember, we use is with she. Next, is it? Is it yours? Is it raining? Is it a cat? Is it open? Remember, we use is with it. Next, are we? Are we friends? Are we ready? Are we at home? Are we late? Remember, we use are with we. Next, are they? Are they coming? Are they students? Are they happy? Are they brothers? Remember, we use are with they. Questions help us get information and learn more about people, things, and places. Excellent work! Today you learned how to make affirmative sentences, negative sentences, questions, using am, is, and are. Keep practicing these patterns every day. I am. He is. They are. I am not. She is not. We are not. Am I? Is he? Are they? Thank you for learning with us. The more you practice, the more natural English will become. In the next lesson, we will continue learning more English grammar. Don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.